Hi, my name is Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're looking at the all-new 2018 Sea Ray 230 SPX, sitting on a tandem axle trailer. As you can see, this is a gorgeous blue in color boat. It has a gorgeous white interior. Here in the back, it has sea deck flooring, which is comfortable on the feet. Nice big swim platform with a drop-down swim deck. Your tow point is in the rear, as well as a grab handle to get on the boat. Again, this 230 SPX has the new interior for the 2019. It is a 2018 model, but it does have the new interior for 2019. At the helm, a flip-up bolster. Great tacks. Here at the helm, it just looks great. They make it work. It's powered by a Fusion radio. Snap in and out infinity woven flooring. Here in the bow, it's a very nice, comfortable, large area to sit and relax. Got 2 speakers and cup holders below where it's not uncomfortable for the passengers. Here in the passenger seat, again, a swivel chair with flip-up bolster. You got seating behind here, as well as a wraparound seating bench in the back. In the flooring, you have in-store floorage. It's 6 feet of space. Great spot for skis, fishing poles, tubes, life jackets, all of that stuff. And in this compartment is a pump-out head. It's a nice spot for the kids if they absolutely have to go. This is a 13-passenger boat, and again, laid out very nicely. The sun pad here in the back is very large, and it's a nice area to lay out. Again, my name's Dan Pergett, sales consultant with MarineMax in Rogers, Minnesota. Stop out and check out this 230 SPX today, or stop out and see one of the other hundreds of boats that we have here in Rogers, Minnesota. Hope to see you soon.